The most effective practice is to study a short time on each topic every day. The overall amount of time spent studying will be the same or maybe even less than one or more lengthy sessions. But you will learn the information more deeply and retain more for the long term. The most important thing is how you utilize your study time, not how long you study. Long study sessions lead to a lack of concentration and a lack of learning and retention. Let's see if you can retain this short ASE test prep question. So, what computer sensor may need replaced if an engine has a defective head gasket? Is it A, an engine coolant temperature sensor, B, crankshaft position sensor, C, a mass airflow sensor, or D, oxygen sensor? The correct answer is D. Additives in coolant can coat the oxygen sensor, which can cause the sensor to incorrectly detect the oxygen content in the exhaust. It is unlikely that any other stated sensor would be affected by a blown head gasket. Thanks for watching. Good luck on that test.